History of Sumba Opo Fort. Sumba Opo Fort is historical heritage of the Kingdom of Goa located in Makassar, South Sulawesi, Indonesia. It stands as a symbol of the kingdom's power and maritime glory during the 16th and 17th centuries. The fort was built around by King Goa V Daeng Matendre Karaeng Tumapa Risi Kalona to protect the royal capital and its main trading port. During the reign of Sultan Hasanuddin, Sumba Opo became the center of international trade attraction merchants from Portugal, Spain, India, China, and England. However, in POC it by Colonel Tillman after a long war against of the Kingdom Goa, four countries the fort was buried but until it serves as a historical and cultural tourism site, featuring traditional house from various ethnic groups in South Sulawesi. Sumba Opo Fort is more than just a historical site. It's a symbol of bravery, unity, and spirit of resistance of the Makassar people against colonialism. Preserving this fort means keeping alive the legacy pride of Indonesia's glorious past. Thank you.